Let's get one of these funnel traps. Throw some old anchovies in it. Next thing you want to do, just go right up against the rocks. Don't need to throw it too deep, just right up against the rocks. You can find logs or anything like that, throw it right next to that. And you're good. Let's open this trap up. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got one little bullhead here. 2, 3, 4. Got 4 bullhead. And I'm getting a bite right now. And there's the 4th bullhead. Better get to the rod. Looks like it's getting bit. Ooh. So I just am right here. Don't hit their brain, just get them right in the lip. Like that. It's a good one. Whoa. Oh shit. All these rocks. Felt like a good one. Good size shaker. Almost fell off the rocks. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. This is a good one. Oh, it's a good one. Eat the net. Oh shit. Woohoo! All right. Got a decent one here. All right. Let's see. Slip that plier in. Pop this hook. There we go. Woohoo! Good guy.